Insert the GPS antenna and tighten the screws. Tear off the paper and stick the GPS antenna under the front windshield. Insert the camera input cable. Insert the low-pin USB cable. Insert the RCA cable. This is the power cord and CAN base. Find the CAN base cable that is plugged in at both ends. Plug in the black power plug. Find the CAN base cable into the corresponding socket. Find the third-pin cable into the corresponding socket. If your original car has an AUX jack, you need to plug the AUX-L into the AUX-in in the RCA harness. If your original car with an amplifier, you need to plug the AUX-in into the audio out in the RCA harness. And connect the ball amplifier control cable MCTRL to amp can of RCA harness. We have two different model sizes of rear wheel adapters. You need to choose according to the actual condition of your original car. Connect the yellow video signal cable from the chosen adapter to the reversing video input line.